Hello everyone, and welcome to our partnership introductory webinar at BIAMIIO. My name is Marcin Kirdylewicz, and I'm Managing Director at BIAMIIO. I'm also taking responsibility for providing the strategy and managing our new partner program. So I'd like, for those who don't know, I would like to tell a little bit about who we are and what we do. We've been established as a business in 2017 with headquarters in London, United Kingdom, after a number of years of developing our own intelligent automation technology that we use until today. While we are still a small business, we are growing and we try to provide a local representation to our customers, is it directly or via a network of our partners. As you might be aware, we have done a couple of key hires recently in order to support our customers and markets in Europe as well as in the United States. We do have a global reach via our partners, but that is only going to improve, and that's going to change after our official launch of our partnership program today. So let me tell you a little bit about how we position ourselves and the technology that we have, how we solve specific problems. For all of you know, every business consists of three elements, and that's people, processes, and technologies. While you grow your business, you will grow in all those three areas, and you're going to have more people, you're going to have more technologies within your business, and more processes to manage. Now, that growth, unfortunately, doesn't happen without the consequences. So adding more people to your business means more human errors, means less agile business. While you're adding more technologies, your cost of maintenance of the technology is raising. And you're always catching up with what's the latest, what's the greatest. While adding more processes, makes your business more robust, you're actually going to lose a little bit of flexibility, and it will be also more difficult to change. Now, those are those typical consequences that every business will face while they're growing. Now, you can minimize the risk, and you can automate your business without the consequences by applying different technologies to those three different areas. So with robotic process automation to automate people's tasks, with IT automation to automate your infrastructure and technology configuration, as well as with business process automation technologies. And that is what BIAMIIO provides as a technology. At BIAMIIO, after 5 years of development, we have introduced the BIAMIIO Intelligent Automation Framework that allows you to deliver automation at scale and build business process-driven software, platforms, and robots. It has a lot of advantages. It is enterprise open source. It consists of those three different types of automation technologies. It's very easy to extend and integrate, and while it's secure, scalable, and works on modern cloud microservices-based architectures. Our technologies deliver a lot of flexibility and options. We believe that we need to be open as much as we can in order to cover all those three different areas. So you're able to build, automations using any operating systems. You're able to integrate with pretty much any system that exists on the market. And if we don't have native connectors or there is no API connectors, again, we could use RPA to extract the data, or as a part of our enterprise agreements, we also provide you a promise to write additional integrations for your various technologies. You can deploy it on pretty much any device. So BIAMIIO framework works on being a Java-based framework, works on an Intel ARM x86 type of devices, as well as ARM. So you could also run it on a small IoT devices, through to servers, up to cloud, of course, and various clouds. And not just public clouds, but also private clouds. And as well as you could run it in a kind of hybrid cloud scenario as well. Because it's open source and uses a lot of open source technologies, it is going to be quite easy for you to find a talent that is familiar with BIAMIIO technology. Although you might think that intelligent automation technology is new to the market, again, it uses a lot of elements that exists on the market for many years, and it will not be that difficult to find resources for you. Now, let's look at the business proposition that we have here at BIAMIIO. So our promise is to reduce bottlenecks and significantly boost your business operations, growth, and services. And how do we do that? We do that through 3 different types of offerings. We have developed intelligent business operations offering. That is the quickest way for you to get into intelligent automation journey and start that journey. There is no quicker way. In our intelligent automation lab proposition consists of a mix of software licenses, infrastructure, and services that are required to actually get hands-on and start building automation within your organization. And that's how you start, and that's how you build your first fully automated business processes. The other part of a proposition that we have is intelligent business services. After you finish building the first production-ready version of your automation processes or solutions, you want to run them in a production, and you do it via exposing them as a business services with our intelligent business service offering. That's a framework where we offer you production grade licenses, infrastructure, and three-step process, where you want to launch those services internally and externally, because you build those automations, sometimes for internal use within your organization as well as externally, for you to be able to automate the service provisioning or some other services business services that you want to offer to your customers and partners. Manage, for you to be able to deal in an intelligent way with all the IT management that is around the cloud business services that you're running, as well as the service where you need to actually provide a human element and SLA and meet your SLAs for your customers. Now, once you have a way to build automation within your organization, automate your business processes, okay, and you've exposed them, as a business services to, again, internally or externally. Another problem you're gonna face is, the acquisitions of new users for those automations. And again, here is a proposition. We do have proposition that we can help with that, and we have intelligent business development proposition, where again we apply a lot of our technologies to actually build a specific solution to solve the growth problem. Again, coming with a 3-step process: connect, nurture, engage. We have a platform that allows your business development teams to connect with up to 500 new prospects every month, nurture up to 3,000 intelligent conversations every month, at the same time, and deliver many engagements to your sales team, so they can follow up and close the deals and bring you more customers. So those are the 3 areas that we cover at the BIAMIIO with our proposition. Let me tell you a little bit about some use cases, real customer scenarios that we have done. And this is just a selection. This is not everything we do, but this is just to give you an idea of what's possible. Okay. For a number of years now, we're working with a leading global telecom operator in Europe, where we started to help them with automating their internal service provisioning for quite advanced telecom services that they were offering. I don't want to go into many details, but by applying a context-aware automation, we were able to significantly reduce the time to deliver those services for their clients, where previously it would took them around a month, sometimes month and a half to actually prepare the offering, check everything, and do the deployments of the offerings. We actually have significantly reduced it, so they're able to deliver new services for new clients within less than a week. And here we're not talking about the standard telco services like voice, text, mobile. Those are actually a complex type of the services that do require a personal and individual approach on how to architecture them, how to build them, how to provision them. Another example that I want to share today is a headless banking as a service platform. Again, as you know, BIAMIIO works and delivers the automation at scale. We expose all the automations, all the processes as a web services, so it's quite easy to build your as a service platform. One of our customers is delivering a banking as a service platform to their customers. Part of that project, what we were able to do is we were able to move them off from legacy cloud infrastructure into modern AWS infrastructure. Okay, using some additional cloud services like authentication, different security levels and so on. And using BIAMIIO, actually, they were able to deliver those services much faster, as well as they're able to deliver any changes in those services faster. So when they see new technologies coming up, or they want to do new integrations, with new technologies, actually they don't require a couple of months long projects anymore. They're pretty much able to deliver new technologies on a monthly kind of basis with our technology. Last but not least for today is something what a lot of people would say a typical scenario for automation. We have helped a global retailer in Europe with automating their vendor onboarding process. We've delivered it a few years back already, where they had a team of almost 50 people working in a vendor onboarding area. Those people were really, their job was really about, reading emails, like combining a couple of emails together and putting those data in various different systems. So we did actually help them with automation a lot. They were not just able to significantly reduce the team, but and ask this team to actually focus more on building a better quality within their offering, instead of just doing a simple tasks. But we also help them with significantly expanding their ability to process a new vendors within their vendor catalog. Now today we want to talk about the partnership offer. This is an introductory webinar to the partnership offer. So let me tell you a little bit about what it is. You might be aware that intelligent automation market is actually currently the fastest growing software category according to Gartner, and it grows with around 50% year on year. That's really a lot. And, within that space, you really see quite large businesses coming up pretty quickly. So you will see, don't be surprised that the new technologies are coming within intelligent automation space, because that's normal. That's how things work. That's also the space we're in and trying to address with, our proposition. But we do understand actually that the opportunity is much, much bigger than what we can offer. Although, already in order to provide our, offerings, our services, and the solutions, we already work with partners quite a lot. To give you an examples, when within intelligent business operations, when we build those automation labs, most of the delivery services are being outsourced to our business partners. So it's not always a BIAMIIO teams that are working on delivering of those process automation and integrations for our customers, but those are our business partners that work closely with us, like our internal teams, in order to deliver those services. Like within intelligent business services, we work quite a lot with technology partners, right? All those services we provide on various different platforms, so we need to integrate, we need to work very closely with them. We also work a lot there with our services partners that offer managed services, because again, part of the offering is being able to automate as much as you can in this IT management space as well as within an intelligent business development proposition. We work with many sales consulting partners that team up with us and deliver like the best strategies for business development, the best messaging, the best working campaigns for our clients to go out and and create the messaging to the market that will work best. Now this is only at 3 areas where BIAMIIO covers, and opportunity is much bigger. So we know that we internally wouldn't be able to do everything, and there's much bigger piece of the market that we actually want to give away to our partners and help our partners to develop. So if you're an existing company that has access to a big market, where you have a lot of customers already, where you would like to bring to them a new technologies, intelligent automations, and IT automations, business process automations, all of these parts, then partnering with us, we can help you transact much more with your existing customers. If you are a technology partner, or you're a technology company where you want to bring more automation, or is it like in provisioning or configuration area into your technology, then again, that's something we would be more than happy to work with you on. If you're a services company, and various different types of services we're talking here about, it's a consulting, it's a delivery, implementations, and so on. So if you're this type of a organization, again, we would like to partner with you, because there is a big area of services around the technology that we have that needs to be covered. And again, at BIAMIIO, we want to stay a technology company. We don't want to be a services company. So we already see that for every dollar spent on our technology, $10 to $15 go into services that are being delivered by our partners. And if you think of being a new fintech or new tech company that actually builds the solutions, and you want to take our technology, embed it within the solutions that you have, again, we want to partner with you. We want to give you all the technologies and all the offerings that we have at BIAMIIO for you to be able to build that tech much quicker and deliver, again, intelligent automation at scale as a part of your own solutions. So with that in mind, today we are officially introducing our 4 new partnership programs. So over last couple of months, we were piloting those programs with, first early partners who, helped us to understand like what is needed to be built for that partnership to work, what sort of support is required, what sort of benefits we should bring into the offering. And we have decided that the best way will be to build 4 separate partner programs for 4 different types of organizations. So we are introducing today a channel partnership, technology partnership, services partnership, and solution partnerships. And let me tell you a little bit about those different programs, how they differentiate and what's included in it. As you can see on the slide, there are 3 areas, that we look at the partnership. Those are, a fees and revenue related items. Those are, what type of services we include in the specific partnerships, as well as various commitments we put on the table, as well as, we ask our partners to commit to as well. So again, channel partnerships with an offering that we're offering to, traditional resellers, distributors type of organizations, or, companies that are value-added resellers, companies that would like to, take a number of different offerings and, build solutions and deliver those solutions to the clients. So this is the entry level of a partnership for actually every type of the partnership, where we do not require any partnership fees, where we do provide reseller discounts, and we do provide market development funds for it. We of course allow you to resell our technology as a part of that offering. And again, there are a couple of things that the activities that we would do together, like we would announce partnership to let the world know that we're working together. Yes, we would be sharing the leads with you, as our channel partners. We would be doing joint webinars. We would be doing a sales training for your people, as well as we're happy to create a business white papers. This part of partnership is more really focused on reselling our proposition and spreading the word and reaching out the market as quick as we can. Now, for the technology companies, so for software companies or for hosting or cloud providers, we have slightly different proposition that we call a technology partnership. This is partnership that is focused more on integrating BIAMIIO technologies with your technologies. So think of it, this is around adding more functionality within BIAMIIO intelligent automation framework and enabling more features by adding more plugins or integrations within our framework that will use your technology. And that combined proposition should help a lot of customers. To give you an examples, we are working with one of the technology provider that has a very advanced API capabilities to access IBM mainframe technologies, and that's something we wouldn't be able to offer by ourselves. We needed actually a technology expert who would develop that. We have found one company that offers that, is a market leader in that space, and we've partnered together, to again extend our functionality of BIAMIIO Intelligent Automation. So now you can, access information not only from like kind of Intel-based or ARM-based systems, but as well as IBM mainframes. Now this technology partnerships really focus around the two areas. One is technical integration of our technologies, and two is a business and go-to-market that that we would build, what we call as a kind of a joint proposition. So proposition to solve a specific problems that our joint customers have, that we can solve by applying a mix of BIAMIIO and your technology, right? So this is a partnership offering where we would manage our partnership in a 6-month cycle, cycle periods, where we would prepare a detailed plan on what we're doing within a specific 6 months period, and what sort of activities, how we do, what sort of activities we do. One on the technology side. So that's about the integration of BIAMIIO and your existing technology, and how to make it work together and improve it. And two is what is a joint partner proposition that we bring to the market to actually help customers with solving a specific problems, and also of course how we address that market. All our partnerships are prepared for the success, so we actually include a lot of automation in it already, in all the 3 areas that BIAMIIO offers, and that's included intelligent business development. So if you're our partner, we will help each other to actually even find new clients, right? Even find new customers, and actually go to the market and find those potential customers, so we can create business opportunities for both of us and make that partnership successful. The third partnership that we offer is the services partnership. So that is a partnership offered focused on various different types of services organizations, and those will be consulting firms, and various different consulting firms, in specific business areas, in some verticals and so on, as well as system integrators. So this partnership really focuses on two areas. One is providing any type of those services to joint customers. That's number one. And two, of building a joint partner proposition, again in order to solve some specific customer problems. The difference here is that that proposition will be around the mix of BIAMIIO technology and partner services combined together. So sometimes we also would use that, for example, within our own offering, like when we build those intelligent automation labs, where part of the offering we offer X amount of man hours to actually build automations, and we would outsource that to our business partners. So in a similar way, we would be building other business propositions that we would take to the market. Again, this is a proposition that we offer you quite a lot in discounts, revenue share, market development funds. This is the offer that allows you really to do pretty much anything except rebranding of our technologies. And from a commitment perspective and from support perspective, we do offer you pretty much anything, including PR announcements, that joint solution, lead sharing, joint webinars, sales, technical trainings, and white papers as well. So we do have already quite a number of partnerships in that area, because that's also the way we extend our reach at BIAMIIO, with working very closely with our partners, who are very often closer to end customers than we are, and and they're able to kind of help us to help our customers, as well as add services on top. Last but not least, I want to talk about the solution partnership program that we are launching today. So solution partnership program is more for organizations that would like to embed our automation and, I would say, white label it and include it as a part of the solutions or services that they provide to the market. This is the only type of the partnership offering where we allow completely white labeling of our technology, where you're able to build a complex solutions or software platforms where you don't even have to mention what is the underlying technology that you are using, and we will be providing you with the technology, with the support, and all the services that are required for you to be successful, to build those early stage products and propositions, as well as serve your customers over many years, and do the technology refresh and everything that is required. This is the type of technology that we expect more our partners to lead versus being joined, but this is because that's for the partners who are building their own proposition and are bringing that to the market. So those are the 4 types of partnership offerings that we are launching today. I hope they are easy to understand, and I hope that you like them. Again, every partnership is coming with all the support and all the services that are required for it to be successful. Again, including intelligent business development services for us to find joint customers and so on. So yes, if you're interested, we would like to hear from you. So that is all what we wanted to share with you today as an introductory webinar to our partnership offering that we're launching today. As a next step, I would like you to consider two activities, right? One is, if you're interested in partnering with BIAMIIO and extending your offering with intelligent automation, please do let us know, and please book your partnership discovery call. Going to website www.biamiio.io/partnership. You can book the introductory call to talk about the potential partnership opportunity with us. Or if you'd like to jump on the train, and start with becoming our channel partner that has again the lowest level of commitments, and we don't take any annual fees. You can just sign up and become our reseller partner. Then yes, you can do so by again going to our website biamiio.io/partner that's registered. So that's what we would like you to do. And yes, that's the end of the introductory webinar, and I hope to see you soon. And we hope that all those partnerships that we're going to build over the next a number of years will help us serve our customers much better. It's going to help us find many more new customers, and grow our businesses significantly. Thank you for your time, and have a great rest of the day.